Hello and welcome to Thursday's tea break, and on this quick tea break I'm going to show you our latest range of popper topper pads from Hunkydory. So the first one we've got here is this one here, which is Let's Celebrate, then this one which is Loving Occasions, and then this one which is Thinking of You, and the last one which I'm going to show you in closer detail is New Beginnings. So these pads have three different pages, and they are chock full of toppers and sayings and things to make your cards really special. So let me move these away and I'll get on to showing you what's actually in the pads. So this is our New Beginnings Popper Topper pad, and it is 6x6, and it's got silver and gold foil on all of the toppers. So it's got over 400 elements in it. So let's start, and as you can see, the designs are, oh, this one's for a new baby. How sweet is that? It's got flowers and ducks and sayings, you've got borders, you've got a main design. They're all die cut, so they're all going to pop out really easily without any problems. And this one's, as you can see, the gold foil. So we've got borders as well as the images. So we've got 3 of those. And then, oh, bunnies. And Happy Easter, just for you, with love from Easter Bunny. That is so cute. And then you've got a little border here with Easter eggs and the gold foil on this one. And with these components, you've got enough here to make at least 3 cards, I would say. And that's if you just use these components. So 3 of those. Oh, we have got 3, but so then again, another new baby. Oh, this is just so delightful. It's just so beautiful. The designs are so delicate. You would just love to receive one of those to welcome your little bundle. So again, we've got some tags, we've got borders, we've got the main image, but in different sizes. Yeah, definitely, that's a winner. And it's not just new baby, we've got To a Wonderful Man. Take time to enjoy the simple things. So this is sort of male orientated, I suppose, with the boats on the beach and the sea, and yeah, and the man walking his dog. That would just be perfect for a birthday or Father's Day. Oh, it's just, the images are just so beautiful. So that's that one. Oh, tortoise. So this one is for a new home. So you've got the tortoise moving in and home sweet home. Again, tags. So again, you've got enough here to at least, well, you've got 2 main images to make 2 cards, but then you've got all these other bits that can be added to other cards, and you've got the borders, the foil, and again everything is die cut. And this card is really thick. It's lovely. So we got, oh, good luck at your new school. So unfortunately it's a bit late for this one, but for next year, if you've got somebody who's starting school, I would say this is probably more for an older child rather than a younger child. But yeah, now, oh, we'll miss you, that little one there says. So you've, good luck. So actually it's also got a new job. So new school, new job. So you've got 3 cards there that you can make with these. So, and again, you can see they're all die cut. So I'm just going to flick through. All typewriter, all the best, new job, you can do it. So this is definitely aimed at more of an adult going into a new job. So that's really nice. Happy New Home. Oh, this is quite a funky one. So I think this is more for your younger age when they're moving into their new home. So that's really nice. And then with Love, home is where the heart is. So you get a lot of cards in here. Oh, now this one is beautiful. On your baptism day, with love, congratulations on your christening. This is just a stunning design for a christening or a baptism card. It's just perfect, and it's gender neutral, so it could be for either a boy or a girl, and it's just delicate, and oh, I like that one. Oh, something a bit different now. So best wishes on your next chapter. Oh, happy retirement. So this is definitely, I think, yeah, definitely more for your retirement age. Yeah, that's just the designs have just been beautifully made and just restful, perfect for a retirement card. So in 3 sheets, you can either use one of these on 3 cards or all 3 on 1 card. So you can, in 3 sheets, you have the option of making either 3 to 9 minimum cards. It's up to you as to how you design them. So you're getting a lot of cards out of these. So this one is God bless you with love on your special day, a christening wish just for you. So again, beautiful designs, and yeah, that's really lovely. So that's that one. Oh, elephants. Who can resist elephants? And chicks, little yellow chicks and balloons. Oh, I know my little love loves balloons. So this is a new baby. That is beautiful. That would be a really special card that you would make somebody and they would keep. And that's just so cute. Look at those little booties. Oh. So again, you've got the 3 images which you could put on 1 card or 3 cards because you've got the extra bits that you can add. So what's this one say? Will fit in when you were both to stand out. Why fit in when you were both to stand out? I think that's what it says. Trying to read upside down, so it's not quite so easy. But it's peacocks and flamingo. So that's really lovely. Sort of watercolory, and the purples and the pinks and the turquoise. Beautiful. And then this one with love, Easter blessings on your special day. Each day is a new beginning. This is just perfect for a spring wedding, Easter. Just beautiful, that one. Daffodils, oh, I love that. And then, oh, good luck, bon voyage, stay in touch, or let the adventure begin. Oh, look at this, suitcases. Yeah, that is just so fun. Makes you want to actually go on an adventure, just as somebody sends you a card. So, oh, and then that is the end of that one. So that gives you an idea. There's over 400 elements in these Popper Topper pads, and I just think they're brilliant value. They're $11.99, which sounds quite a bit, but when you look at what you get in them, I mean, we were just looking at 9, 18, 27 cards, just over 3 of the designs. So it's definitely a worthwhile purchase personally, because these are going to be quick to make. If you suddenly have to make a card, you know what it's like. These things creep up on you. So so there are Popper Topper pads by Hunkydory. They're available in the shop now, and I hope you have enjoyed this Thursday's tea break. See you next Thursday.